Today we are going to look at first angle projection, and first we are going to look at the rules that we are going to follow in drawing these projections. We are going to consider this simple diagram. So we start with the rules. Of course, we'll be given the side where you're going to have the views. We'll have three views: front elevation, end elevation, and the plan. So in first angle projection, the plan is usually below the front. That's one of the rules. Then the end can either be on the right hand side or left hand side of the front. Another one is that the height of the front is equal to the height of the end. The length of the front is equal to the length of the plan. Then the height of the plan is equal to the length of the end. So usually we draw three views, and these three views we have indicated the positions. So I'm going to use this figure to indicate a sketch for the three views. So usually there's a distance in between the views. And that distance, you choose it and ensure that is constant between your views. So I can draw it so that it is visible. But remember, for any drawing, you're supposed to draw the 3 views. So here I will indicate 4. One view will have, I'll show using 2. So the first rule, we say that the plan is below the front. So from these views, this will be the front, this plan. Then the end can either be on the right hand side or left hand side of the front. So we have 2 end views. So how we place this end view will depend on how it is viewed in the isometric figure in relation to the front elevation. So like in this diagram, we are having here the front, then the end is on the right hand side of the front. So when we are drawing it in orthographic first angle projection, we're going to place the end to the left hand side. So when you are placing the end to the left hand side, this one is as viewed from the right hand side of the front. Now if we change this so that we have the front there, then we have the end. Then the end is to the left hand side of the front in that isometric figure. So when you're placing the end, when it is on the left hand side, we place it to the right hand side. So this one is as viewed from the left hand side of the front. So those are the rules which you're supposed to follow in first angle projection.